Brian here with you. Welcome into my office. We're going to take a look now at this early 19th century gazetteer of the entire world. It's in a beautiful period French binding, like so, with a flat spine, richly and actually creatively gilt stamped, like so. Very, very nice spine on this geographical work. Full leather covers, mottled calf. There's a small old stain at the top, like an ink stain. Stain is here as well, but the leather still is supple, and the binding is sound. The marbled end papers are as issued. There is an early signature on this half title. Then we see the title page says 1806. There's a small stamp here, perhaps of a merchant. I'm not entirely sure. Here is a list of contents. The first map has original hand color, folding copper engraved map like so. And yep, still fresh and sound on heavy paper, very nice. And we see this old ink staining has caused a little bit of corrosion at the foredge of some of the text block leaves, like so. But luckily, it has evaded most of the maps. So this map here is still in very nice condition. Original hand color. These all have original hand color. The next folding map within we see here is this one of France, like so. And it's very heavy paper, actually. Different paper from the text paper. Maps like this, bound into volumes like this, were engraved on a metal plate first, in a place separate from where the book was printed, often, typically. And then they would have been printed, each map printed one at a time on heavy handmade paper, different from the text leaves. The maps would have then been sent off to be colored, then sent to the binder, where they were inserted during the stage of binding. So the vast majority of maps which survive loose today on the market at some point have an origin within a bound volume, an atlas or a gazetteer or something like this. But prior to their being bound in, they were separate artifacts first, and that's worth keeping in mind. We get questions about that on a regular basis. Is this removed from a book? Is this map, etc.? Well, some maps are separately issued, yes, but those that are separately issued tend to be in the minority, and their survival rate is much smaller. It's a very interesting map of North America here. Yeah, nation of serpents. Yeah. Okay. And let's see, I'll show you each of the maps. I think we'll see all of them. I don't think I'll miss any. And here is South America. Like so. And I do believe the final map. No, I think there could be one. No, I think this is the final one. I believe it's Africa here. We see, of course, the apocryphal, or actually just fictitious, Mountains of the Moon, or Donga, the source of the Nile, throughout much of cartographic history in the 18th and 19th centuries. And I do think that was the final map, yes. Now, at the end here of the text relating to the geography is here an index, like so, a very detailed index. And as you see, the text leaves remain sound, mostly clean. It is a very beautiful early 19th century gazetteer, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.